everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Victoria. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a voluminous blowout at home. This is giving everything and more that it has to give. Like, hair is looking shiny. Anyways, if you guys want to see how I styled my hair like this, make sure to keep on watching. Follow me on all my socials if you'd like, and like, subscribe here. You guys already know the deal. So let's get right into it. I'm gonna be going out tonight and I wanted to style my hair, and then I'm just gonna do my makeup later. That's why I'm not wearing makeup right now. But yeah, I'm gonna be using rollers, so I'm super excited to show you guys. And the two products that I'm gonna be using today, I'm gonna prime my hair. So this is gonna be my heat protectant. This is the Ava NYC. You guys know that I love this stuff. And I'm gonna just make sure to brush through my hair, take out any knots, and then spray this through. You can also take out any tangles like once you're washing your hair. And then I'm gonna go in with the Uidad. This is the soft defining mousse. This is gonna make sure that I have a lot of volume. Putting this in the roots of my hair and throughout my hair. Okay, I'm gonna be using my Dyson, which I actually have never used to blow dry. I'm gonna be using the wide tooth comb, and I'm going to be using the styling contractor. I'm pretty sure that's the name. Everything comes with the Dyson already. Okay, another thing is what I'm going to be using is a round brush as I am blow drying my hair to kind of give it that volume. But the thing is that this is a boar bristle brush, and I couldn't find like a metal brush that I had. We're gonna see how this goes. I'm just gonna experiment with this, but I recommend that if you have like a metal one, I feel like it would be a lot better. But we're gonna see how this goes because I really couldn't find the other one. But yeah, I'm gonna start by priming and just spraying this throughout my hair. Okay, now I'm just gonna brush out my hair before I put on the mousse. I like to go heavy with the mousse, so feel free to do whatever works for you. Okay, also I'm just gonna be putting, I barely have any of this stuff left because it's so good, the Way leave-in conditioner. I'm just gonna, I think actually maybe it has a little bit so I can spray. I'm just gonna spray this like a little bit just throughout my hair, just towards the ends. Also, it smells so good. I love it. I need to get some more. Bruno wanted to say a quick hello. Oh my goodness. He gets like nervous that I'm gonna leave him alone, baby. It's okay. Isn't he like the cutest thing ever? Baby Bruno. Oi. Sometimes he likes to give me kisses like he is right now. And then sometimes he just wants to bite my face. Because he's just a baby. Alright, honey. Time to go back in your little area. I'm going to start off with the wide tooth comb, and what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to put all of these that are cool and then probably one or two hot. So what I'm going to be doing is just running through my hair, going like this to kind of help blow dry, because then after I'm going to go in with my brush and then this so we can get a nice blowout look. So let's get started. Also, before I forget, these are the hair rollers that I'm going to be using. I'll make sure to link everything down below, and everything is in my Amazon storefront. And then I'm just going to be using these clips. I have no idea where these are, but on Amazon beauty store, they have them everywhere. They just look like this, because I'm going to clip all the rollers, but we'll get to that step. Okay, the reason why I'm not separating my hair is just I'm trying to get just a little bit of my hair dry. You can also just take this off and then just try to blow dry it, but I feel like with this it's really gonna help. If in the scale of like curl patterns, the higher the number is, I feel like this would really help you to kind of like blow out the hair. You can do it in sections if you want. I'm not doing that because I just want like an overall, like just go all over the place, but just do what works for you. Now I'm going to be grabbing a clip and just a comb and start separating my hair. So I'm going to start, actually I don't think the comb is necessary, maybe for the other part, but I'm going to start off like with this amount of hair. We're going to go like this and get the rest. Okay, what I'm going to start doing is taking this off. We're going to put this on. I am going to go to the full heat setting. on both sides, the cool and the hot. I'm gonna get my round brush and I'm gonna show you guys obviously without it on right now. I think I'm gonna even get like split this in half. So I'm gonna grab the round brush, start twisting it like this and pulling it down while I'm going like right here, and then just keep going down. So all the way down, and then I can also go like over here. And then what I like to do is, as I'm doing that to this section, I'm gonna start rolling it, so then when it's dried it gets that nice like rounded tips, very like voluminous hair that I am trying to achieve today. Okay, so we're not going to be using that other brush anymore. We're going to be using this Conair brush. So I'm going to continue doing everything. This is like a voluminous hair brush. That's like what it's called. I'll try to find it for you guys and link it down below. Also, another thing is, as I'm brushing down, I have the hairdryer pointing downward, because what that's gonna do is really make sure that everything is nice and smooth. Because if you start like going this way, like the hairs are gonna get everywhere. So I always like to point down as I'm blow drying. If you do have hair that is a bit like poofier, what you can do is iron it. I'm not going to be doing that. I'm going to do the best that I can with this blow dryer because I don't want to add any more heat. But you can always like blow dry it, then go in with the straightener if you want that really sleek look. Also, this is a little bit harder than just using, let's say, like the Revlon brush, because you are using like this round brush and you're kind of turning it as you have this hand here. But you're going to be working with it. And yeah. Alright, so once I finish, definitely it gets the arms working, so it's like arm day for us. But once I already finished up with that piece, I'm gonna go ahead and grab a roller. This one does come with like a large one and then a smaller one, so I'm just gonna be like kind of like alternating. I do want to have like a lot of volume. I'm gonna grab just a small piece here and I'm gonna show you guys. What I'm gonna do is roll the hair around and roll it up, make sure I get to the top, and then I'm gonna go ahead and grab a clip to secure it. I'm gonna do it like towards the back. Okay, what I'm going to be doing is, some of them I'm going to be rolling up inward and then some I'm going to be rolling up outward. So for this, I'm just going to be doing kind of like a mixture. I'm going to be letting down more hair and I'm going to be doing the same thing. As you guys saw with the roller that I just did, I like to slide down the roller and then kind of like roll it up. That kind of makes it secure so that you get a nice, you know, secure roll. But sometimes they fall out, like this one's falling out, but I'm just gonna let it be. The way that I'm gonna do this is, I'm gonna start off with this front part. The roller, it's gonna go inward, because once our hair is down, it's really gonna make that like poofy look, which again is what we want. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So I'm just gonna make sure that that front roller is rolled inward, and then the other ones can be like whichever way, but let's get to it. Also, I have to hurry up. I have my Celsius orange. It's like my favorite flavor. A piece that's in the back here. I'm gonna make sure that there's enough for the front. Right. Okay. We're gonna grab it and then we're gonna drag it to the bottom, and then what I'm going to be doing is, or what I have been doing, is kind of pulling down as I'm rolling up. There we go. And since it has that little static thing, kind of helps it like put it in position. Okay, so we're going to start taking everything off right now. So I'm gonna start taking off the clips, and then as I take them off, I'm just gonna do like a little swirl. Okay, so this is how it looks. As you can see, it looks very voluminous, but right now I'm just gonna be parting my hair in the middle. But yeah, since I added the rollers in the front, that's what it really makes this part look very voluminous. But right now I'm gonna go get my oil from the car because I left it there. Ooh, stunning. It's giving everything it has to give and more. But right now I'm just gonna add some oil really quickly while I talk to you guys. Olaplex number 7 bonding oil. I'm just gonna put a little bit of this. Anyways, like I was saying, I think I'm just gonna pass the iron super quick at my friend's house. I don't have an iron here because knowing Miami, like, it's just gonna poof, so we don't want that. OMG, I forgot before I put the oil, I was supposed to do something. Anyways, okay, let me try to do something. Okay, now I'm gonna be using this attachment. It's the Flyaway Attachment. So I'm just gonna like go like that. Let's see if this works. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Follow me on all my socials if you'd like. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.